Mentaga sngi ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital ka Blapen Wandur, ringkat ka Jingrakhe langbat ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, bat ka Sarkar Meghalaya, kalapen long ya ka Jingrakhe, Halor ka Jing Mynjur jong ka National Medical Commission, ha auditorium jong ka USTM. Menteri rang ba gejala u Konrad ke Sangma haringkat ke Menteri Sarkar jong u ka Sarojini Sangma ka kurim jong u PA Sangma bala klat no bat ki riau paukmat na kaliang ka Jing sumar bat ki nong mi khmat na ki ri baper kilawan banyashim menta ha kani kasngi.
Because they will be getting treatment out here, at a very concessional rate, and even some of them at free medical treatment will be given. So therefore, it's a very important milestone. And in the larger picture of the state government and the state as a whole, having a deficiency of doctors, we are very sure that this will help us to fill some of that gap in terms of the health professionals that we require in large numbers. And once again, I congratulate the USTM and its Chancellor, Mr. Hawk, for this amazing and wonderful milestone that they've achieved.